Hello student, today we will discuss how to solve a pair of linear equation in two variable by cross multiplication method. In my previous lecture, I already explained this, how can we solve the pair of linear equation by graphical method, by elimination by substitution, elimination by equating the coefficient. Now we will discuss the fourth method, which is cross multiplication method. In this method we have to learn this formula, that is x upon b1 c2 minus b2 c1 equal to y upon c1 a2 minus c2 a1 equal to minus 1 upon a1 b2 minus a2 b1. Obviously this formula is quite complicated or difficult to learn, so there is an alternative way for solving this cross multiplication method. So what we have to do in this case, first of all write x, y and minus 1. Then on the left hand side of x we have to write the b1 and b2, that is the coefficient of y. On the right hand side of x we have to write constant part c1 and c2. Then similarly we have to make a cycle here, b1 b2 c1 c2, then a1 a2, and then finally b1 b2. Right, now what we have to do here, now we have to multiply this b1 into c2 minus b2 into c1 in order to get this formula here. Similarly y upon c1 a2 minus c2 a1, look at here, the same term. Similarly minus 1 upon a1 b2 minus a2 b1. Let us clear this in detail by doing an example. I am taking this example for you. Examples is 2x plus 3y equal to 5, 3x plus 2y equal to 5. I have taken this pair of linear equation by assuming that x is 1 and y 1, because if we put the value of x 1 and y 1, equation balance, and similarly x is 1, y is 1, 3 plus 2 equal to 5, 5 equal to 5, equation is balanced. So answer of this problem must be come out to be 1 and 1. X should be 1 here and y should be 1 here. Let us see what we get here from this approach. So what we have to do, first of all we have to write x, y minus 1. Then we have to write the coefficient of y's here, that is 3 and 2. Then the constant part 5 and 5. Then the coefficient of x, that is 2 and 3. Then the coefficient of y is 3 and 2. Right, now what we have to do, we have to write x upon 5 into 3, that is 15, minus 2 into 5 10 equal to 15 minus 10 and equal to minus 1 upon 4 minus 9. This means we have x upon 5, y upon 5 and minus 1 upon minus 5. Right, this minus minus cancel out. So we have x upon 5, y upon 5 and 1 upon 5. So we can cancel out this 5 from all the sides because this is common. So we have x equal to y equal to 1. So we can say that x equal to 1 and y equal to 1 is our solution. So in this way we can solve this question by cross multiplication method. Let us take another example here so that it will be more clear to you. I am taking another example here in which we are taking 3x plus 2y equal to let us say 7. I am taking x equal to 1 and y equal to 2. So 2 into 2 4 plus 3 7. Right, x is 1 here. I am taking this question as x equal to 1, y equal to 2. Right, so answer must be come out to be x equal to 1 and y equal to 2. Now 4x minus y should be equal to 2a, because 4 into 1 is 4, minus 2 should be 2. So let us solve this system of equation by cross multiplication method. So what is the approach? First of all we have to write x, y minus 1, and then we have to write the coefficient of y first of all, that is 2 and minus 1 here, 2 and minus 1. Then constant terms 7 and 2. Then coefficient of x, that is 3 and 4. And finally coefficient of y is 2 and minus 1. Right, now solve this. So first of all we have to multiply these two terms, that is 4, 2 to the 4 minus 7, so minus minus plus 28, 7 into 4 minus 6, 3 to the 6 minus 1 upon minus 3 minus 8. Right, so we have x upon 11, y upon 22 minus 1 upon minus 11, minus 1 is cancelled out. So we have x upon 11, y upon 22, 1 upon 11. Right, so we can cancel out this 11 because it is common, or we can do one thing. So for either we compare these two, so that we can have x by 11 equal to 1 by 11. 11 cancel out, x is 1. And similarly we can compare these two also. So we have y by 22 is equal to 1 by 11. So y is equal to 22 by 11, because 22 goes to that side, and y come out to be 2. So we have a solution at x equal to 1 and y equal to 2. So in this way we can solve a pair of linear equation in two variable by cross multiplication method.